In this quick video, you will learn how to replace the battery in your GMC Jimmy key fob. Now, some of you out there might be saying, hey, this device looks different than mine. Don't worry, if you clicked on this video and you saw your device in the thumbnail, this is the video for you because there are just a couple different button layouts of this device. It's the exact same device with this little indentation here, little indentation for your finger in the back there. This is the one I have, and the buttons might be slightly different than yours. Most of them will have a fourth button that is the red panic button, and some of you out there have the one, instead of saying lock and unlock, it will be a picture of a lock and a lock that is then unlocked. No matter which one you have, you can follow along with me and we will get a new battery in your device in under 5 minutes. The only things you'll need to get it done are a regular coin or flathead screwdriver, whichever you have lying around, and one of these CR2032 batteries. And if you don't know where to get one of those, make sure you go check out the link in the description. That first link will take you over to Amazon, where you can find those batteries for just a few bucks. So the first step here is just to look on the bottom of your device, right next to where the keyring attaches. And you can see there is a slot right there that is used for opening up your key fob. So take your coin or your flathead screwdriver, whichever one you want, just insert it in there, hold the device gently and twist. And this thing will click right open. Super easy, does not take too much force. And now from here, we have access to the battery. So you can just, if you have fingernails, you can actually just pull the battery right out. If not, grab something like a flathead screwdriver, a car key, pen, pencil, bobby pin, anything you have lying around. We just want to find this dark area right here. You can see that. That's actually a little indentation that's going to help us to slide under the battery. And once you get the corner of your flathead or whatever you're using under, and you just pry or lift it up, you'll see how easily the battery comes right out. Now you can go ahead and dispose of your old battery. Make sure your new battery is, again, a CR2032. And when you're putting your new battery in, you want to make sure that this positive side that has the plus sign on it is facing down. You want to line this thing up and snap it into place, positive side down. Make sure it's sitting in there flat before you go ahead and just take the other part of the device and snap these two back together. Just like that, with a little squeeze. It is all complete, and you have a new battery in there that should last you a very long time. So congratulations, you did a good job, and I hope that was nice and simple for you. If you liked the video, make sure you let me know down in the comments, or just give this video a like, which is great. We love to hear from you guys and get your feedback. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back here to this channel. We have video tutorials like this one for the key fobs for almost every make and model out there. And if you're interested, you can also go check out our website where we have all of this information and more. And that website would be FobBattery.com.